This is Canon's 28 to 70 mm zoom lens. It's designed for Canon's RF mount cameras. There you go. The build is solid, compact looking, and the weather sealed. It's part of Canon's premium L-series line. This control ring can be customized for quick settings like ISO. It keeps a constant f2 aperture through the whole zoom range. Switch between auto and manual mode here. Use the zoom lock to keep the lens from sliding when carried. The 28 to 70 mm range is versatile from wide shots to portraits. A bright f2 aperture gives you better low light results and smooth background blur. Filter size is 95 mm. Its 12-pin connection gives faster autofocus and better corrections. The large 54 mm mount works with all RF cameras. It's about 5.5 inches long and just over 3 pounds. A lens hood is included. The hood blocks stray light and reduces flare. Let's try it now. We're using the Canon R6 body. The lens has 19 glass elements in 13 groups. Autofocus is extremely fast and image quality just excellent. It uses 2 UD and 1 super UD element for sharp results. Overall, this L-series lens is very well designed. Get this if you want one zoom that can replace multiple primes. With top image quality and a fast f2 aperture, perfect for weddings, portraits and events, and it is highly recommended.